Your Windows license will expire soon. You need to activate Windows in Settings. OK. If you experience such message on your computer. In this video I am to show you how to fix it. OK, without waste of time. Let me start. First, click on Start menu. Here type in Terminal. Now enter this command as it is. When you done, hit enter on your keyboard. Now here you will see the key. Click to copy it. Now click on Start. Here click on Settings. Click on Update and Security. Click on Activation. This side click on Change Product Key. Now paste the product key. After that click on Next. Then click on Activate. Windows is activated. Now we have activated this copy of Windows. So that's it. That's how we can fix your Windows license will expire soon. So don't forget to subscribe, like and even leave comment. See you next time.